to Draw with Bee. Today we are going to do a ghost cat for Halloween. I'm excited. Get your markers ready, pencils ready. I've got my trusty erasable pen with me, so if I make mistakes I can rub them out. Let's get started. Let's start with both the ears up the top, upside down triangle here, connect it, another upside down triangle over here, and we're going to bring it all the way down. Do some squiggly lines down the bottom and then bring it all the way up. Next, we're going to do really big eyes. Reflection circles. What I'm also going to do is give him a tail. So let's do a squiggly one. Your tail can be straight, it can be curly, it can be however you like it. Then at the bottom here, I'm going to do two paws poking out. So we're going to do one here and the other one here. Beautiful. We're going to have some whiskers poking out. So I'm going to draw a little hole here, colour it in, and a little hole here. And whiskers there. 1, 2, 3, there. Fabulous. Next, what I'm going to do is add some lines in to make it look like it's flowing. So you can add some lines here, 2 here, some circles, a line there, a line there, 2 up here near his ears, and maybe 1 there. Wonderful. That's all we've got for our ghost cat. Next, I will colour some things in. I'll fast forward this bit and please pause the video if you need some more time, and I'll see you back soon. Touches time. Now that we have our finished cat that has been coloured in, you can choose any colours for paws and tails and all of that. I'm going to get out my special silver pen and add some extra lines just to make it a little bit more special. I'm going to do the reflection dots in the eye. And what I'm also going to do is just add a little bit of silver to the black lines that I've already got here that are creating some of the curves. Not too many, but just enough just to add some little touches. And I think that will do. Thanks for watching today. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see some more videos and if you enjoyed watching today. Thank you for joining me again, and I will hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and we hope to see you soon.